Hey everyone, and welcome to BioPretty with your host Jonathan Dominguez. Thank you very much. I want to introduce today's contestants, Luke and Chris. Everyone give them a round of applause. Lastly, I want to thank our cameraman, Evan.
Thanks for having me on the show today.
Luke, where are you from?
From England.
Wow, you came far to play BioPretty today. How about you, Chris?
Topeka, Kansas.
Okay, let's get the game started. To pick who starts, let's flip a coin. Chris, do you want to pick heads or tails?
Yeah, heads.
You answered correctly. You got heads. Okay, Chris, what do you want?
The scientific method for 100.
Okay. The following sentence: all apples are fruits, and a Granny Smith is an apple. Therefore, the Granny Smith has to be a fruit. Is an example of what kind of reasoning?
I believe it is deductive reasoning.
You're correct. Good job. All right, Luke, it's your turn.
Scientific method for 300.
Okay. What are the steps of the scientific method?
Can I phone a friend?
Sure, but you can no longer phone a friend for the rest of the show.
That's fine. Hello, so I'm on a game show and I need you to answer a question for me. What are the steps for a scientific method? Thank you. So, first you make an observation from a question. You form a hypothesis, conduct an experiment, analyze the data, and write a conclusion.
Correct. Chris, it's your turn.
Acids and bases for 200.
Can you rank the bonds from strongest to weakest?
Ionic, hydrogen, and covalent.
I'm sorry, but that is incorrect. Luke, can you answer the same question?
Covalent, ionic, and ionic. Hydrogen.
Correct. Luke, your turn.
Biomolecules for 100.
Using a pencil and a piece of paper, can you draw a triglyceride for us?
Here we go.
Awesome, check that out. Seems to be correct. Okay, Chris, it's your turn.
Biomolecules for 200.
Can you name 3 differences between DNA and RNA?
RNA is a messenger. DNA's function is the storage of genetic information, and it is also double-stranded.
Correct. Luke, your turn.
Acids and bases for 100.
Does an acid donate or accept electrons?
Accept.
Oof. I'm sorry.
It donates.
Correct. Chris, your turn.
Bases and acids for 300.
Can you name all of the properties of water?
High specific heat, high heat of vaporization. Solid water is less dense than liquid water. Water is a good solvent. Water organics, nonpolar molecules, and water from ions.
Correct. Luke, you're up.
Biomolecules for 300.
Can you draw me what a hydroxyl looks like?
Yes. There you go.
Awesome. Check that out. That is correct. Chris, this is the last question before the bonus round.
Scientific method for 200.
Okay. And the question is raspberries did not grow well this year. Why did the raspberries not grow well this year? The raspberries did not grow well because they did not get much rain. What would be a hypothesis to support this statement?
The hypothesis is supported that this year's raspberries did not get enough rain.
Okay, awesome. Now the game is almost over, but we'll have one last lightning round up next. I'll say a question, and whoever raises their hand the fastest gets to say the answer. Okay? So, what does hydrophilic mean?
Water level.
Correct. How many neutrons are in a carbon-13?
7.
Correct. What is the difference between saturated and unsaturated?
Saturated is having all the atoms positive.
Awesome. And with that, our winner is Luke, and that concludes the lightning round. And thank you guys for participating, and see you guys next week.